Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Lulu. In this video, we'll install 15mm wheel spacers on Maserati. So is it safe to run these wheel spacers? Spacers are a kind of wheel accessories which are used to create distance on the inner portion of the wheel for clearance problems. By pushing out the wheel, you can get a small amount of clearance for bigger wheels without rubbing against the fender. Whether it's because you have added big tires or just desire to widen your car stance, you have concluded that the wheel spacers are the most cost-effective way to do the trick for you and will solve your fit dilemma. BONOSS has over 10 years of professional design and manufacturing experience. We have sufficient inventory to ensure faster delivery and customize wheel spacers only in 3 days. After-sales warranty for 10 years will be more rest assured. BONOSS wheel spacers provide higher performance, more additional functions, faster customized service, which is your best choice. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.